Hi, this is Brenda Williams with Brenda Brown Luxury Homes, and I'm here to bring to you the most recent guide to the luxury real estate market in North America. It provides an overall analysis with trends and highlights comparative data on the top residential markets throughout Canada and the United States. In this month's report, we take a step back in time to understand why the luxury real estate market has truly changed, how this new reality for buyers and sellers was created, and why it needs to be appreciated. We evaluate the differences and the similarities between 2019 and 2023, and how the changes during the pandemic, specifically with respect to inventory levels, have now created a very different real estate environment. Typically, a slowing market, we would expect to see inventory levels increase significantly, prices decline, and sales levels fall. But in 2023, the results are contradicting normal expectations. Discover why the volume of sales, although lower in 2023 compared to the previous 3 years, are actually stronger than 2019 and the significance of this trend. Equally, discover why understanding inventory levels, both total availability and new listings, is now an important key to appreciating how to navigate effectively in today's market. While it's safe to say that buying and selling in the luxury real estate market has changed, it's also important to understand that the demand trends have also shifted. We reveal why, for luxury homeowners, it's all about the experience and how savvy homeowners, real estate professionals, developers, architects, and designers are all keen to integrate this new trend into their home purchasing requirements. In an era where mass consumption means both the upper and the middle class can afford the same luxury brand, the rich are forgoing material goods to invest in immaterial as a way to signify status. Understand why the general message is that luxury is not about throwing money around by adding more fancy materials, but instead creating a comfortable experience that affords the feeling of luxurious wellness and safety, and how these demands are being achieved, implemented, and expected by the affluent. It is important to understand that the art of selling and buying should always include an analytical approach to truly appreciate the realities rather than just listening to the market rhetoric. For homeowners looking to sell or buy in the luxury home market, we always recommend working with a realtor who can provide you with the most critical knowledge about your local market, maintaining a high level of security during the transaction, and knows how to leverage technology to provide maximum exposure and assistance. It is my responsibility as your realtor to ensure that when others around you are lowering their expectations, that this becomes a time for us to switch gears and discover how to leverage the market effectively to achieve your real estate goals. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Brenda Brown Williams with Brenda Brown Luxury Homes.